Alright, I'm doing a review of the KAYCENTOP anti-theft car steering wheel lock here. Just put it through. Put this through the loop. A little tricky with one hand, but I'm going to try to get this. Plug it into the into your seat belt, right there. Now it's in, and now I'm going to press the button to show that it's not coming out. Now, in order to take it out, there is this key. Put the key in, twist and turn, and there. While this is active, you will not be able to turn the steering wheel, even with the car on and everything else, until you take this out.